All right. Our next systems of equations aren't set up either way, that we can't do any eliminating here and I can't do any elimination here. So I'm going to have to do a different step in order to solve my system of equations. Hopefully you have your steps 1 through 4 sheet out still so you can kind of see where I'm at. Right now I don't have any numbers that will cancel each other out. I've got a whole bunch of different options though, so how I can set it up. I know in math, as long as I do something to one side and the same thing to the other, my equation is still going to stay balanced. So we're going to use that idea to eliminate. I would like to eliminate the x's first. There's not a reason why I could have eliminated the y's if I wanted to, but I'm going to choose to do the x's. So if I want to eliminate the x's, that means I'm going to have a positive 3 up here, because that way I could go 3 plus negative 3, and they would cancel each other out. So I just got that from looking at this 3 right here. I didn't just magically invent 3. It's because of that coefficient right there. So what I want to do is take this entire equation and multiply it by 3. So now I end up with 3x plus 6y equals 33. Now I have something, I can cross that out because I have multiplied the entire equation by that. Now I've got something that I can really work with. I'm going to leave it below the problem. Does it matter what order we add things in? Hopefully you said no. So I'm going to go ahead and add them together now. Negative 3x plus 3x cancels those out. Y plus 6y is going to give us 7y. Negative 5 plus 33 is 28. So that means when we divide by 7 on each side, y is going to equal 4. Now we're going to go back to the original problems. We don't need to use this one red problem anymore. We can go back to the original problems and plug our numbers in. So if I do that, I get x plus 2 times 4 equals 11. So that means x plus 8 is 11. Take away 8 on each side, so x is going to be 3. Okay, let's plug it into the bottom equation, just double check and make sure. Negative 3x plus 4 equals negative 5. I am going to take away the 4 on each side. Negative 3x equals negative 9. When we divide by negative 3 on each side, x is going to be positive 3. We got the same answer for both problems, so we can go ahead and write our solution of 3, 4. Now, like I said, multiple ways to do it. When you come back to class tomorrow, that's what we'll talk about, is another way to do this same problem. Your job right now is to do almost what you did before, and your job is to try to figure out this one. And again, I'm not going to do an answer video for you tonight. We'll talk about the answer to this one in class. It is a little bit harder, but I think you guys are up to the challenge. You might be able to figure out what to do with that one.